her favorite friend over.
She did. So it's day 4.
Yes, I guess.
We have not been out sledding yet, but the plan is to get out there, and we need to make a snowman today.
Okay.
We're making a snowman, right? So what's going on here?
Barbie is having her wedding with Ken. They're still inviting
she's
some
getting
people.
married. They have their cell phones in their hand.
Yeah, because they're still inviting some people.
They're still inviting some people. Okay.
Presents.
All right, so our battery died, but we're back in business.
Back in action!
We're going to the food pantry.
And action!
We're actually going to the Food Lion,
And then we're going to
and we're going to take the food to the church because of all this snow. We can't actually get to the food pantry building today.
Look at this!
So we're going to unload when we get to the church.
Back in action!
And then
Go Spider-Man!
we're coming back.
And then we're going to Bobby's
And we're going to have a wedding.
I'm gonna die up here! Barbie,
So
I'm
here we
gonna
go.
fall in some people's food.
Yeah. It's gonna be time for a wedding. What are you doing? Crazy boy. Crazy.
Oh, it's my turn. It's my turn.
My turn.
My turn!
Then it'll be my turn. Picking up for the food pantry. Got it? Good job. Turn it. Alright. Do you think they took everything back to the freezer? Or do you think we're early enough? Ah, they didn't. Yay! Awesome. Don't forget bread. We'll be back. Alright, let's go get the produce first.
What?
We're going to get the produce first. Actually, meat. My bad.
Whoever gets there first is stumble.
There's the bread aisle. Ding-a-ling. Okay, let's move this back so he can come out and put it right in. Okay. Hey! I'm good, how are you? Alright, there's the meat.
Y'all have a good one now.
Thank you, you too. No. Do you need chips? No, you don't. No, you do not.
Yes, I do. It's grape guys. It's healthy.
No, put them back.
It's grape. It's healthy.
Come on, let's get some bread. Hot dog rolls. Oh yeah. Should we get 2?
We should get 3.
No, I think 2's enough. I don't even know if I have enough hot dogs. No. The same kind. Yes. Should we get more hot dogs?
Yeah.
Should we? Should we get bread? Ah, the Monopoly card.
How do we
Chest bump in the freezer. All right.
higher?
Hey, grab the veggies. Pull, children.
I'm strong.
No, slowly. I need you to go racing through. Pulling the U-boat. Lots of veggies.
Wait, these are veggies?
Yeah, they are.
These are oranges.
Fruit and veggies. Fruit and veggie. Pull it out. Come on, let's go.
Spin this. They're gonna get dizzy.
Pulling. Let me get one of these doors.
Open up the door. Ah!
Okay, don't go fast.
Can't believe I'm not doing my job.
You love your job.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not a bad job.
Pink delicious apples.
A pink delicious.
Red delicious.
Red delicious.
These are
are
my
so
pink
good.
ladies. These
So
and
yummy.
these are my favorite.
Those, yeah.
Can we
Candy.
buy these?
Any kind? No, we're not buying those.
Can we buy these?
No, we're not buying those either. Come on. Let's get some baked goods. Let's get some baked goods. Where's my cart?
So it is time to start this, Mama.
Alright, I love it too. Come on.
Look at all this delicious food for the people. Show them.
All the way down, please.
Noah, what did you get? What did you get? Banana. Mmm.
Can you go put this back?
The cart. These ladies.
Alright, you ready? Can you help me load all
There
this
we go.
up?
Yeah.
Let us go.
Go. Oh. We're taking that in the car.
Yep.
Let's count how many boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoa, 10 boxes.
Oh, so much. Yep. I appreciate
Car. The
it.
car.
Okay, guys, you put these in the car.
Car sign. Car sign. The car sign is the, oh, the car sign. I gotta do this. Let's get in the car.
Here, and this.
Let's get in the... We went out the hall.
Time to get Daddy's ring.
Yep.
Newly resized, happily married ring.
Uh-huh. Come on, I want to see jewelry.
Ready?
Yeah, let's go. Open the door up.
Down by the jewelry shop, and we decided to go to Pure and Simple.
And have some healthy drinks.
Have some healthy drinks.
They're so delicious.
They have the yummiest, healthiest drinks.
Yummiest, healthiest.
Yummiest?
New Markins.
Okay. All right.
Is this the one with Katie last year?
We may have brought Katie here.
Birdie, look at this, look at this, look at this.
What are you looking at?
Cookies.
The what?
The cake and cookies over there.
The cake and cookies.
No healthy stuff. That gives me a good start.
Okay, so smoothies.
Juice, I want juice.
There's a protein powerhouse,
No, I want juice, Mom.
chocolate powerhouse with almond milk. You guys like almond milk?
No, Mama.
Banana, chocolate.
Please.
Hi, how are you? We need something that they will drink.
Okay, well the classics, you're talking smoothie wise?
Yeah.
Kale to like with chocolate if you want something like that.
Okay. You think that would be good? A chocolate drink.
Yeah.
You'll drink it. If it's chocolate, you'll drink it. Okay, yes.
Okay.
And they can split it, I think. It's probably pretty large, right?
Yes, it's a 16 ounce soda.
Yeah. Okay, and then a juice that you guys want to try, because I'll get a juice. You want to try a pure green one? It's got celery, kale, cucumber, or we could do a wheatgrass margarita. We can do the green apple.
Oh, yay.
Ooh, yay!
Couldn't get anything that is chocolate.
You guys want a little cupcake? I think they have coconut on the top. You want a little cupcake?
Yeah.
Okay, it looks like
Just purple.
protein.
Was there something in under my tongue yet?
I don't know. Oh, I didn't ask about, that's almond milk, so you're good there. This is it's apple juice.
Cheers, hands.
Maybe they used a green apple. It is green apple. Green
excited to
apple
taste it.
skin
I wonder
nourisher.
if this will taste good.
Green apple skin nourisher. That's my drink.
Yummy. Let me try. It's tart.
Tart. Tastes like green apple.
No.
Out of the chalice.
Tastes like Pink Delicious.
What do you taste?
That's not my mood.
What do you taste?
I don't know, like pickle. I taste
Pickle.
pickle green apple.
Yes. Cucumber.
I taste cucumber, Pink Delicious, and lemonade.
Green apple is what is in it, not red delicious. How about yours? Do you like it?
Mine? I love it. Anything with chocolate in there, I'll drink.
Chocolate protein. You taste banana?
Red Delicious? What is that?
Apple. Remember we saw it at the store?
What is this?
Syrup. Chocolate syrup.
Well, that tastes good.
What kind of cake is it? That's coconut on top. Carrot cake with cream cheese icing.
Yeah.
I think it is too.
Definitely carrot bread.
You have coconut nose.
What? I don't have
You
coconut.
have coconut all over your nose. Pretty
I
tasty?
rubbed it all for Mama.
Noah, what do you think it is?
I just
Carrot?
rubbed some taste carrot. Tomorrow's day 5. No school tomorrow. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
No school. No school. Day 5. Day 5.
That was not included to my song.
No school tomorrow
We gotta shoot
again.
the fireworks like it's the 4th of July.
Okay, are you tired of not having school?
Yes. No.
I think kind of, yes.
When I go into school, I'm gonna be like this.
Yeah, we miss our friends.
See my friends. The sweet, sweet smell of school.
Mm-hmm.
See you guys tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Thanks for spending the day with us. See you, bye.